guys, this is Jackie from Yumyth. Yumyth is an innovative brand and focus on food vacuum sealer. As you see, there's many models in our showroom. Today I want to show you a different appearance vacuum sealer VS6630. And you can see here is the stylish stainless steel circle control panel. It's waterproof function when you use. And the functional mode combines the dry and moist food mode. It means you can seal different kind of food. Depends on your need. And the accessory vacuum is for external vacuum combined, used with the vacuum jar, value bag, and wire stopper. The last one is the pause function. It allows you manually control the vacuum degree. As for the soft food, to prevent the over vacuum. Here is the slide. One thing on the top is bag cutter. It's for cut the dessert size bag you need and avoid the bag waste. Let's open it to check the structure. And here is on the upper lid is the low volts heating wire. It allow you instant vacuum seal circle and very durable. What's more is human touch safe. Another is the flexible lid holder. It help you hold the lid when you put the bag in vacuum chamber. And this one is the bag stopper. It helps to ensure the right bag position when you put the bag. The black one is the no loose rubber sealing bar. Let me show you the operation later. Hello, let me show you how to operate the machine. First one, close the lid completely when you hear the sound and use our accessory vacuum hose. One end connect the machine and another one connect with food container. And what's more, wire stopper is also work with the machine like this. And the third one is the value bag. Also easy to protect the food. Now let me get the bag from the back row. Choose the size you want and use the bag cutter. Slide one end to another. Here is the side we want. And this one is we already sealed the bag and ready to vacuum seal. Insert the bag to the vacuum chamber, and you don't need hold the lid because it has the lid holder. Press it again. Choose the food mode. You can hear the song reminder and press the start. The line is on. Now the vacuum seal is complete. Let's open it by release button. Okay, what's more, it's the detachable design. I forgot to show you.